In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an income account in QuickBooks. If you need to keep your bookkeeping organized and track different sources of revenue more clearly, creating a separate income account is a simple and useful step. This can help you categorize your earnings properly and make your financial reports easier to read later on. To get started, log into QuickBooks and look toward the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon to open the settings menu. This area gives you access to several important setup options, including the tools you need for managing your accounts. From the menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where QuickBooks stores the list of all the accounts used in your company file, including assets, expenses, liabilities, and income accounts. If you're adding a new category for revenue, this is exactly where you need to be. Once the Chart of Accounts page opens, move to the top right and click New Account. This will open the account creation window where you can enter the details for the income account you want to add. Now enter the account name. Choose a name that clearly describes the type of income you want to track. For example, you might use a name that matches a product line, service category, or another revenue stream in your business. Keeping the name clear and specific will make things much easier when reviewing reports. Next, select the account type as Income. This is important because it tells QuickBooks how to classify the account in your financial records and reports. After that, choose the detail type for the account. The detail type gives QuickBooks a little more information about what kind of income this account represents, so pick the option that best matches your needs. You'll also have the option to add a description. This part is optional, but it can be helpful if you want to include a short note explaining the purpose of the account. That can be especially useful if multiple people work in the same QuickBooks file. Once everything looks correct, click Save, and that's it. Your new income account has been created. After saving, the account will appear in your chart of accounts, ready to use when recording sales or assigning income to the correct category. Keeping your accounts organized from the start can save time and reduce confusion later. That's all for this video.